Alright, so here we got the Macintosh Plus that we didn't test yet. So I'm gonna be safe and move that to there. Then I'm going to put in the power plug all the way. Then I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna turn this on. Alright, it pops. Do we get video? We get picture, but it's a bit warped. Dad, can you hand me a floppy? The one that sticks out of the drive. Thank you. We don't have a mouse yet. God damn. Where is the mouse? I had a mouse. Did I put it back? No, where did the mouse go? 1 second. Alright, we got the thingy-majig working. The mouse was... Why is the video so warped? Alright. Yeah, bad disk drive. Wait a minute, hold on, which... I need a paperclip. Oh, it turned out to boot anyway. It decided to boot. That does not look good. It should not take this long. We're getting somewhere. Bad. This means that the grease in the drive is bad.
Schoonmaken, uitzetten.
Want to see how many megabytes.
Don't ruin more.
Okay, so update, the breaker died. So yeah, we're out of fucking power now. God damn it. Well, I call this test a success. Update, we can't get the power back on. I think we have a big fucking problem. Now what? Damn you! Alright, we got the power back on, but you need to be looked at, man, because you just fucking stopped our dinner in the oven.